In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to sign up for Snapchat Plus. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat app. Make sure you have already logged in. Navigate to the settings page. Once you're over here, head over to the option Snapchat Plus. Now click on the option subscribe. Now here you're gonna find out all the features that you will get access to after you upgrade to the Snapchat Plus. Now click on next. You'll then be able to view the available subscription plan, which may include monthly and annual option. Take a moment to review the features and pricing, then select the plan that best suits your needs. After choosing a plan, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the purchase through the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android. Once your payment is confirmed, your Snapchat Plus subscription will be activated automatically and you'll immediately gain access to exclusive features such as custom app icons, private story replies, Snapchat Plus badges, and other premium perks. So that's it. This is how you can easily sign up for Snapchat Plus. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.